Hello everyone. Today we are making a delightful dessert, pineapple kesari or pineapple sheera. It's a popular sweet from Karnataka with a nutty aroma and richness of ghee. Start with 1 cup of regular sooji rava. Here I am preferring gluten-free, so I have taken parboiled rice rava. Roast the rava nicely till you get slight golden color. Once the rava is roasted, add 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, stir it well and keep this aside. In the same pan, add 1 more spoon of ghee. Roast 1 cup of pineapple chunks for 2 minutes just to infuse the ghee goodness into pineapple. Add another spoon of ghee in the pan. Roast 20 grams of nuts as per your taste like almonds, cashew, pista until they are beautifully roasted with aroma. Add 1 cup of brown cane sugar and the roasted rava into the hot pan. Keep stirring for 30 seconds. Slowly add 2 cups of hot water intermittently, stirring them to avoid lumps. Toss in the pineapple chunks, stir well, and let it cook for another minute until it becomes smooth. And 1 more last spoon of ghee, mix it and then add the roasted dry fruits. Give it a nice stir and switch off the flame. Cook the rava until you get the smooth mouth melting texture. It is a South Indian sweet pudding, and this classic dish is made with the as a traditional Sheera. It is known by different names as sooji halwa, sajjige kesari, kesari bath or rava kesari. Here is our mouth-watering pineapple kesari ready to be enjoyed as a delightful dessert. It is simple, tasty and perfect for any occasion. Please try the recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Happy cooking. Thank you.